Hello there, my name is Tiziane Darim. I'm from Brazil, and it's a pleasure to be here today to present for you guys our work named Chase, a checklist to assess user experience in IoT environments. My co-authors and I are from the Federal University of Ceará. In an IoT environment, smart objects may operate in multiple contexts. Each time someone interacts with a smart object, the success of this interaction may be more related to personal characteristics and the context of use than with the technology itself. Because of this, and because IoT systems are rather complex, every time we evaluate IoT quality in use, we should consider evaluating it from the perspective of the user. At this point, you may ask, isn't this type of evaluation necessary for all types of systems? Yes, absolutely. But in IoT systems, we have to consider some specific challenges. For example, we have an environment with multi-platform interaction and interconnection between devices with different interfaces, with different capabilities. We have also two different types of interactions. Human-thing interaction, which is interaction between users and smart objects. And also we have thing-thing interaction, a type of interaction among smart objects, and both affect the user's experience. Besides, we also have a less tolerant user because they really expect that smart objects work as well and as efficiently and as quickly as their everyday objects. Well, cutting to the chase, our point is that in IoT systems, to deliver a good quality in use, we have to actually observe users in user testing and go a little beyond what traditional UX measurements can give us. We propose Chase, which is a checklist, an observational tool to be used during user tests, and that will help you to disclose some of the problems that may affect the user's experience and focus on how the IoT systems affects the user behavior. To come up with the current version of Chase, we basically follow the four-step process that I will quickly summarize for you right now. First, we did a literature review, and we were able to identify some criteria on how to evaluate IoT systems regarding UX aspects. Then we created an initial version of this checklist, and we engaged potential users and experts in reviewing it thoroughly. Then we updated the checklist and applied it in a real context of use with different evaluators so we could evaluate the quality of the checklist items and concreteness, applicability, ease of use, and so on. The final version of Chase has 26 checkpoints divided into two categories: human-thing interaction and thing-thing interaction. Human-thing interaction contains items to evaluate the interaction that occurs between smart objects and the user, and thing-thing interaction contains items to evaluate the intercommunication between smart objects in order to provide the user with a service. We have also 5 modules: general aspects of UX, which is exclusive to human-thing interaction category, and it's intended to evaluate user satisfaction, user control over the IoT aspects of the application, and the environment, the user's perception of utility, and so on. Context awareness is in both categories, and it comprises items on how the user context affects the smart objects and vice versa. And programmability regards the variety of programmable behaviors that smart objects usually offer the user. Finally, we would like to invite you guys to try Chase and let us know what you think about it so we can keep improving it. It's ready to download and apply in your user tests with IoT systems. Thank you so much for your time and attention. If you have any doubts or questions, please contact us. Thank you.